Interactive whiteboard and digital board. Interactive whiteboard is completely digital board. We can use digital whiteboard for multiple purposes. We can use in many location, for example school, colleges, hospital, conference room, seminar room, etc. In digital whiteboard we give lecture, record a lecture, take class, give presentation, many more. It's a replacement of old blackboard, projector for using in smart classes, conference room, etc. We can save data for long time online and offline. We can also use for video conferencing with the help of software tools Microsoft Teams, Zoom Meeting, Google Meet, Skype, Webs, etc. You can record meeting, save data in system long time and upload video in YouTube. Now lots of digital media guys convert insert content in digital content. All insert syllabus are available in digital media. We will provide you insert full syllabus from class 1 to class 12 digital platform in many languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Punjabi, etc. We will provide you complete digital ebook, animation videos, practice paper material in digital platform. We can also run Google Earth, YouTube, websites, many more content live in interactive whiteboard for video conferencing, classroom, etc.